When working with Excel, your data often includes a variety of different information. In many cases, it's necessary to consolidate this data into a summary table so that it becomes easier to compare and filter. Excel offers a feature designed specifically for this, the pivot table. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a pivot table using Excel 365. The purpose of this tool is to help you organize complex datasets into a more digestible and dynamic format for analysis. First, begin by selecting the data range you want to summarize. Once your dataset is selected, go to the Insert tab in the menu and choose the Pivot Table option. This step tells Excel which data should be analyzed and organized. Next, choose where you want the pivot table to appear. You can either create it on a new worksheet or keep it on the current one, depending on your preference. After confirming, a new pivot table field window will appear. From there, you'll see all the headers from your dataset listed as field options. Start by dragging the field you want to filter by into the filter area. This will let you isolate specific segments of your data. Then choose a field to display as rows and drag it into the rows area. You can do the same for columns by selecting another field and placing it in the columns area. Finally, add the data values you want to calculate or summarize into the values area. For example, if you have a field called full name and you filter by Amis, the table will display only the data related to that value. You can repeat this process for different categories or fields to dynamically explore your dataset. This kind of data summary makes it significantly easier to work with large or complex datasets and improves your ability to draw insights quickly. Pivot tables are especially useful when dealing with multiple files or entries and need structured analysis. Using pivot tables in Excel is a powerful way to manage your data more efficiently, and mastering this function will greatly improve your productivity when working with detailed spreadsheets.